Good morning, everyone. So, students, yesterday we discussed about the Mendelian disorders. Okay, so next Mendelian disorder that we will study today, that one is thalassemia. Now, what is thalassemia? Thalassemia disease. It is an autosomal linked recessive trait. All of you know about the meaning of the autosome. Okay, so it means that the mutated gene, it is present over the chromosome of the autosome, means the autosomal chromosome, mutated gene present over the autosomal chromosome. Okay, now this kind of disorder, it affects the hemoglobin production. And how? Because hemoglobin, it contains the alpha and the beta chains. Okay, alpha and beta chains that are present. So thalassemia disease, it affects the production of the alpha chain of hemoglobin and the beta chain of hemoglobin. If suppose the alpha chain of hemoglobin that is affected, then the disease that is known as alpha thalassemia. And if suppose the beta chain it is affected, then it is known as the beta thalassemia. Okay, so there are two types of the thalassemia, alpha and the beta thalassemia. Now, as all of you know that the gene that is mutated, then only the thalassemia that is caused. But in case of alpha thalassemia, the gene which is mutated, that is HBA1 and HBA2. Okay, these genes that are closely linked, and they are present on the chromosome number 16. So this is very important. You have to learn the chromosome numbers, that on which chromosome the HBA1 and HBA2 genes that are present for causing the alpha thalassemia disease. So in case of alpha thalassemia, chromosome number that is 16, but in case of beta thalassemia, gene HBB on chromosome 11, that will get mutated, affecting the production of the beta chain. Okay, now next we will discuss about the cross. In case of thalassemia, as it is an autosomal linked recessive trait. Okay, so all the autosomal linked recessive trait, in that case progeny will be affected only, means progeny, it will be affected only when the parents they are carrier. Okay, that both the parents they should contain at least one mutated gene. Okay, if the parents they are carrier, only then in case of autosomal recessive trait disease, the progeny it will be affected. Okay, but that is not the case in sex linked. In case of autosomal, you can use any other symbol also here, like I have written RR, capital R, small r. So you can also use capital A and small a for this cross. So capital R, small r, carrier. Okay, so it means that this small r, it is showing the mutated gene, carrying the mutated gene. And this capital R, normal, small r, affected. Okay, because when the as the disease that is recessive, so when both the recessive genes that are present, then only the person will be affected. Now here I have shown one cross between capital R, small r means carrier, capital R, that is normal. So what will be the result? Capital R, normal, capital R, normal, capital R, small r, carrier, and carrier. Okay, and I told you the progeny it will be affected only when both the parents they should be carrier. Means if suppose in place of capital R and capital R, here it will be capital R, small r, then only it will be the, then only the progeny it will get the small r and small r. Now next is the difference between the sickle cell anemia and the thalassemia. Okay, because both they are means both of them are affecting the hemoglobin chain. Okay, so in case of sickle cell anemia, it is a quantitative problem. Quantitative means the quantity, affecting the quantity, synthesizing few globin molecules. But in case of thalassemia, it is a qualitative problem, means it is synthesizing incorrectly functioning globin. Okay, here the quantity that is affected, and here the quality, sorry, here the quality that is affected, and here the quantity that is affected.